Good afternoon, dear friends. Today you and I are going to invest in LTT tokens and stake them using this fiery staking. This staking is dynamic. The percentage is decreasing. And the sooner you stake your LTT tokens in here, the more LTT tokens you will get from this staking. And you can also benefit from the growth of the LTT token itself, because it is a new exchange with good enough potential, with big plans. They have their own decentralized platform, their own centralized exchange, which is already on CoinMarketCap. This is why buying LTT tokens now would be a very good deal. They are growing in price right before our eyes. How are we going to do that? We'll be doing this through Unitex and the global UnitPay wallet. We are on our exchange Unitex. We go to Balances. And we need to top up our account in dollars. USD, deposit. We choose Global UnitPay, and we deposit $300. So we deposit $300 to the exchange. We click Add Deposit. We need to continue the process on Global UnitPay. We go in, refresh the page, and we see a warning that you have a pending payment of $304.50. This includes the fee. Pay now. Pay. Confirm with the two-factor authentication code. Done. We go to the exchange. Refresh the page. Let's see. Great. $300. We want to stock up on $200. Since all pairs on Unitex are traded to USDU or USDT, all pairs on the exchange are traded to stablecoins, we first need to convert the USD into one of the stablecoins. In our case, we will use USDU, and here we have USDU USD. It's set to sell USDU, and we need to buy USDU. We'll use the market price. We're selling $200, and we will get 201 USDU. I click on Execute. Great, the order has been filled. Let's check the balances. We had a little bit of USDU, now we have 201. We go back to the exchange again. We choose BNB USDU. And this is where I'd like to point out that if we buy at the market price now, we will buy at 395. I want to buy BNB at the market price for 201 USDU. It will be 0.51 BNB. Let's move on. We got USDU. Now we are going to buy BNB. We will buy at the market price because we want to make some money. Well, yes, it will be more expensive at the market price, and for trading purposes we could put a limit order. But we need to do it faster, which means we'll make more money on staking LTT tokens. So we will buy at the market price. We will buy for 201 USDU, which we initially received. And we get this amount of BNB. Execute. We placed the order. We go to our balances, and we got this amount of BNB. Available balance. And we still have a little bit more reserved. We even got a little more than that. This is the amount of BNB we are going to withdraw. So we are going to withdraw this amount, and here we need to specify our address. To do this, we go into our MetaMask. So here we are in our MetaMask. Here we have a wallet. And here we need to make sure that we have Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. We go to MetaMask. We see that it is Binance Smart Chain mainnet, which is exactly BEP20. And we withdraw our tokens to this wallet. Okay, copy, we paste our address in here. And here we need to consider the fact that there is a fee of 0.35, and we need to deduct it in order to withdraw all our tokens. Because some of the tokens are reserved and some of the tokens will be withdrawn. This is the amount available to us, and that's what we withdraw. We account for the fee and enter the two-factor authentication code. After you enter the code, press Withdraw, and we need to confirm the withdrawal in our email. Go to your mailbox, find the confirmation message and click the button Confirm Withdrawal, and your transfer has been confirmed. We go to the balances. We see that our tokens are reserved again, but in this case, they are already reserved for withdrawal. We expect to see them soon on our MetaMask wallet. There you go, see? They have already arrived on MetaMask. Everything happens very quickly. And we have withdrawn our BNB tokens to our MetaMask. We go to this LocalTrade window, where we can swap tokens using PancakeSwap. Click on PancakeSwap. Here, you might see a warning that you need to add a token. We change BUSD to BNB. We choose the maximum amount of these tokens. We will get 447 LTT tokens. We press Swap. You see, the price changes dynamically. Click Swap. Confirm Swap. Our MetaMask pops up, where we click Confirm. Close, and now we see that the transfer has been completed. We go to our LocalTrade account. Refresh the page. We have BUSD in here. LTT, you can see that now we have an LTT balance of about $127. Considering what I already had bought and staked, which is 207 tokens, and I have purchased 447 more. It says here you must give permission to the smart contract to access your LTT for staking. Allow. The smart contract, LTT, confirm. There's a fee of 9 cents. You should always have a few BNB left in your wallet. So, add to the pool. Network fee here. Network fee. You can earn 976 LTTs. The fee will be 0.09. And do I have enough money for the fee? 2 zeros, yes, I have enough. Add to the pool. 009. Confirm. OK. Stake. Success. Done. Now this number of tokens is blocked. The profit is 70.62. Received LTT. And then we'll see how it goes. Make sure that you have assigned the inviter. It will be either the company's wallet or the wallet of your upline.